The history of the Dodge car brand is quite extensive, so I'll provide you with a condensed version. Dodge is an American automobile brand that has been a part of the automotive industry for over a century. Here are some key points in its history. 1. Founding. The Dodge brand was founded by brothers John Francis Dodge and Horace Elgin Dodge in 1900. The company initially started as a supplier of parts for Detroit's growing automobile industry. The Dodge brand was founded by two brothers, John Francis Dodge and Horace Elgin Dodge. The Dodge brothers were born in Niles, Michigan, and grew up on a family farm. They initially pursued a career in the bicycle manufacturing business, which eventually led them to the emerging automobile industry. In the late 19th century, the Dodge brothers moved to Detroit, Michigan, which was a hub for early automobile development. They established a machine shop and started manufacturing parts for the growing automobile industry. Their expertise in precision machining and engineering soon gained them a reputation for producing high-quality components. By the turn of the 20th century, the Dodge brothers had become successful suppliers of parts to prominent automakers of the time, including Oldsmobile and Ford. Their reputation for producing reliable and well-made parts set the stage for their entry into automobile manufacturing. In 1914, the Dodge brothers made a pivotal decision to transition from being part suppliers to becoming automobile manufacturers themselves. They introduced their first car, the Dodge Model 30, which was well received for its affordability, durability, and innovative features. The Dodge Model 30 was a success, and the Dodge brothers quickly gained recognition as skilled automakers. Their background in precision engineering and manufacturing techniques contributed to the quality and performance of their vehicles. Tragically, both Dodge brothers passed away in 1920 due to complications from influenza. However, their legacy and brand continued under the ownership of the Dodge family. In 1928, the Chrysler Corporation, led by Walter P. Chrysler, acquired the Dodge Brothers Company, making Dodge one of its divisions. Under Chrysler's ownership, the Dodge brand continued to evolve and expand its lineup, eventually becoming an integral part of the American automobile industry with a history marked by innovation, performance, and distinctive vehicles. 2. Early years. By 1914, Dodge had transitioned from being a parts supplier to a full-fledged automobile manufacturer. They introduced their first car, the Dodge Model 30, which was well received for its durability and affordability. During the early years of the Dodge brand, it underwent a significant transformation from a parts supplier to a prominent automobile manufacturer. Here's a closer look at the early years of Dodge. 1. Founding and initial ventures. The Dodge brand was officially founded in 1900 by brothers John Francis Dodge and Horace Elgin Dodge. The brothers started their journey in the automobile industry by establishing a machine shop in Detroit, Michigan. They initially focused on producing precision components and parts for other automakers, including engines, transmissions, and chassis parts. 2. Rise as a supplier. The Dodge brothers gained a reputation for producing high-quality and reliable parts. Their precision machining skills and engineering expertise set them apart in the growing automotive industry. Their successful ventures as parts suppliers brought them financial success and recognition. 3. Transition to automobile manufacturing. By the early 1910s, the Dodge brothers recognized the potential for growth by transitioning from parts suppliers to automobile manufacturers. In 1914, they introduced their first car, the Dodge Model 30. This car was known for its affordability, durability, and innovative features, which included an all-steel body construction. 4. Innovations. The Dodge brand was known for its engineering innovations. In 1915, they introduced a sliding gear transmission, which improved the driving experience and set a new industry standard. In 1917, Dodge became one of the first automakers to offer an all-steel body as standard equipment on their cars, enhancing safety and durability. 5. World War I contributions. During World War I, the Dodge brand played a vital role by supplying vehicles and components to the military. Their experience in mass production and engineering excellence made them a valuable asset to the war effort. 6. Expanding the lineup. After the war, Dodge continued to expand its lineup with various models and body styles, catering to a wider range of customer preferences. Their commitment to producing reliable and well-engineered vehicles contributed to the brand's growing popularity. 7. Acquisition by Chrysler. In 1928, the Dodge Brothers Company was acquired by the Chrysler Corporation, led by Walter P. Chrysler. This move brought the Dodge brand under the umbrella of a larger automotive conglomerate, providing access to resources and technologies that further fueled its growth. Overall, the early years of the Dodge brand were characterized by the Dodge brothers' transition from parts suppliers to automobile manufacturers, their innovative engineering contributions, and their dedication to producing quality vehicles. These early developments laid the foundation for Dodge's continued success and evolution in the automotive industry. 3. Innovations. In the 1920s, Dodge was known for its innovative engineering. They introduced features such as all-steel bodies and hydraulic brakes, setting new standards for safety and performance in the industry. Dodge has a history of introducing several notable innovations and advancements in the automotive industry. Here are some key innovations associated with the Dodge brand. 1. All-steel body construction. 1917, Dodge was one of the first automakers to offer all-steel body construction as standard equipment on their vehicles. This innovation improved safety, durability, and overall vehicle quality. 2. Sliding gear transmission. 1915, Dodge introduced a sliding gear transmission, which enhanced the driving experience by providing smoother gear changes and improved control. 3. Standardized parts and interchangeability. Dodge played a role in popularizing the concept of standardized parts and interchangeability, making it easier to produce, repair, and maintain vehicles. 4. Dodge Brothers Sedan. 1920s, Dodge introduced a full line of closed-body sedans, making enclosed passenger cabins more widely available to the public and contributing to the shift from open touring cars to enclosed vehicles. 5. Floating power engine mounts. 1930s, Dodge introduced floating power engine mounts, which reduced engine vibration and noise, leading to a smoother and more comfortable ride. 6. Fluid drive transmission. 1940s, Dodge pioneered the fluid drive transmission, a precursor to modern automatic transmissions, which allowed for smoother gear changes without using a clutch. 7. Hemi V8 engine. 1950s, Dodge popularized the Hemi, hemispherical, combustion chamber design in its V8 engines, which improved power and efficiency and became a hallmark of high-performance engines. 8. High-performance muscle cars. 1960s. 1970s, Dodge produced iconic muscle cars like the Dodge Charger and Challenger, which featured powerful V8 engines and distinctive styling. These cars remain synonymous with American muscle car culture. 9. Electronic ignition. 1970s, Dodge introduced electronic ignition systems, improving engine reliability and performance by replacing traditional mechanical points. 10. Caravan/Plymouth Voyager. 1984, Dodge introduced the Dodge Caravan and its sibling the Plymouth Voyager, which are considered pioneering minivans. These vehicles revolutionized family transportation with their innovative design and practicality. 11. Viper. 1992, the Dodge Viper was a high-performance sports car with a powerful V10 engine, showcasing Dodge's commitment to producing cutting-edge performance vehicles. 12. Multi-displacement system. MDS. 2000s, Dodge introduced MDS in some of its engines, allowing them to deactivate cylinders under light load conditions to improve fuel efficiency. 13. Hellcat engine. 2015, Dodge introduced the supercharged Hellcat V8 engine, known for its extraordinary horsepower output, which gained significant attention and redefined high-performance capabilities. 14. Demon Drag Racing Car. 2018, Dodge introduced the Challenger SRT Demon, a purpose-built drag racing car with the world's most powerful production V8 engine. 15. Electric Vehicle Concepts. 2020's Dodge unveiled plans for electric vehicle concepts, signaling the brand's intentions to embrace new technologies and transition towards electrification. These innovations represent a selection of Dodge's contributions to the automotive industry, showcasing the brand's commitment to engineering excellence, performance, and staying at the forefront of technological advancements. 4. Acquisition by Chrysler. In 1928, Dodge was acquired by the Chrysler Corporation, becoming one of its divisions. This move allowed Dodge to access Chrysler's resources and engineering expertise. 5. Expansion. Over the years, Dodge expanded its lineup to include a variety of vehicles from compact cars to trucks and SUVs. The brand gained popularity for producing both practical and performance-oriented vehicles. 6. Muscle car era. During the 1960s and 1970s, Dodge became known for its muscle cars, such as the Charger and Challenger. These powerful and stylish vehicles gained a strong following and remain iconic to this day. 7. Ups and downs. Like many car brands, Dodge faced challenges over the years, including economic downturns and changing market preferences. However, they continued to adapt and introduce new models to stay relevant. 8. Modern era. In recent years, Dodge has focused on producing high-performance vehicles, particularly in the muscle car and SUV segments. They've gained attention for their Hellcat and Demon models, which offer exceptional horsepower and speed. 9. Electric future. As the automotive industry shifted towards electric and hybrid vehicles, Dodge announced plans to electrify its lineup. They unveiled the all-electric Dodge EV concept, signaling their commitment to embracing new technologies. Throughout its history, the Dodge brand has left a significant mark on the automotive world, with a mix of innovation, performance, and iconic vehicles.